Hello guys, welcome again sa channel natin. My name is Jake and I'm regularly sharing online freelancing tips. So kung bago ka pa sa channel ko, please consider subscribing to my video. And sa video na to, we are going to talk about kung paano ba tayo mag-edit ng picture sa Canva. So may in-upload kasi ako na picture. Actually, it's a friend of mine. Nag-send siya ng picture na dun sa top 10 ng mga richest Filipinos in the Philippines sa year 2021. And nakita ko na top 10 lang kasi, so gusto doon niyang ipasama doon yung name niya tsaka yung mukha niya sa number 11 spot. So ito yung picture guys, ipakita ko sa inyo guys so ito yung picture na gusto niyang ito yung picture na nakita niya. So ito yung top 10 guys. Ito yung top 10 na picture na nakita niya. Gusto daw niyang magkaroon na sana daw magkaroon siya. Gusto siyang pumunta sa number 11. So ang ginawa ko, nilagyan ko siya ng number 11. So ito yung number 11 na ginawa ko rin. So ito yung picture niya, si Brother Michael Lizondra. Siya yung CEO ng Tech Tips No Tutorial. So shout out sa iyo bro kung nanood kayo ito. Shout out sa iyo. So ito yung ginawa ko guys. So as you can see dito sa ating top 10, ito yung original picture. Pero ito yung ginawa ko number 11. Pero the bad thing about this guys is hindi ko siya makopy yung kanyang actual na font talaga, pero most likely parang medyo funny na talaga yung meme niya. Okay, so ito yung ginawa natin guys. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to Canva. Kahit hindi ka pro, pwede kang gumawa ng design. Create ito ng design, click ng create design, click mo yung edit photo. Dito sa edit photo, it will allow you to download, no? Download mo yun. Kasi marami nga din mo nagpagawa sa akin. Okay, i-upload mo yan and then click mo yung open. So i-upload ni Canva yung original picture natin, and then click natin yung edit photo. Boom. Okay, so since nandito na tayo, so picture pala niya is 1080 by 1080. Again, ang gusto natin gawin is mag-route tayo ng dito, number 11. So, ang una ko talagang tinitingnan is yung paano siya nakalagay ng picture dito. Parang, ano bang tawag na shape na to? Okay? Hindi ko alam kung ano bang tawag na shape na to. But anyway, so, alam ko, may feature dito kasi sa Canva na you can put a particular shape here and then you can add a photo or a picture dyan sa loob. So, what we're going to do right now, we are going to go here sa ating elements. No, once we are going to go to elements, makita mo talaga dito guys. It's free, okay? So if hindi mo siya nakita kasi ginamit ko lang siya earlier, recently used na nga siya. So bababa ka lang dito and then nakita mo tong frames, i-see all mo yan para makita mo yung mga shape na gusto mong ilagay. No, this is also applicable no kung ano bang gustong design mo or whatever. For example, may client ka na gusto mo pagawa ng something like this, so you can basically do it yourself naman din. Hindi naman siya ganun hirap. Anyway, ito na yun guys. So please, so click lang natin yan and then we are going to drag it over here and then make sure lang natin na magkaroon siya ng the same size. Okay, okay, size. Tingnan natin. Or you can zoom in if gusto mo talaga mag-zoom in, okay? Gusto mo zoom in niya, so hindi pa siya. I think this is almost the same size. Once it's done, the next thing that I'm going to do is we are going to copy this, okay? So ano ba yung ginawa niya? So basically, kung ako ang ipa-edit ng picture ito, all I have to do is copy-paste this frame. So i-copy ko siya by doing clicking this and using this duplicate option, no? Click natin yan, boom, dalawa na. And then ilagay natin dito sa taas and we need to make sure na parehas sila ng size dito guys, okay? Okay. And boom. And then I think dapat the same sila ng size. And then there you have it, no? The next thing na gagawin natin is we are going to add a picture. Okay, so actually may na-download ako na picture dito guys. Dalawa yung na-download ko, pero yung isang picture is ganito, si Michael Lizondra, shoutout sa iyo bro. So ito yung picture niya, pero once we are going to upload this one here, okay, dali natin to. Okay, once we're going to upload that one, kasi all you need to do is drag it here, right? Drag mo lang dyan, and then mag-upload na yan siya guys dito na side. Okay, uploading yan siya, and then i-drag natin yan sa picture. Boom. Alright. But the problem is, hindi siya makikita. Yung upper na face na is hindi makita. So what I did is gumawa ako ng panibagong picture, which is ginawa ko is nag-crop na ako ng picture. Ito yung crop na photo niya. Crop lang siya na photo. So, yan. Para if I'm going to use this one, talagang mag-fit yung half body niya dito sa image na nilagay natin. So anyway, again, we are going to upload the picture by simply dragging the picture here, no, sa ating dito sa ating view dashboard. And then since na-upload na siya, all we need to do is drag the picture here and then boom, meron na siya. Alright, the next thing na gagawin natin is yung content dito. Like this say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pero ang alam natin is may background siya na background color na parang white. So the problem here is hindi mo siya pwede malagyan ng numbers kasi medyo mahirap siya lagyan ng numbers kasi nga ang frames na to is useful sa mga pictures lang. Right? So what I did is pumunta ako dito sa photos and nag-type ako ng white. Ito yung type ko earlier guys, white background and then boom, no, may picture na white dyan. So click na rin yan and then i-drag ko ulit ito sa maliit na parang shape. Boom. Alright, so almost the same na sila. So you can actually, like kung sa akin kasi is I'm colorblind, so hindi ko talaga siya makikita kung parang 100% talaga na clear. So anyway, you can actually adjust the color here sa transparency niya or parang opacity. So you can do that one or you can do it like that one. So para just to match the color here sa kabila. Pero for the purpose of this presentation, I think we just have to go here sa 100% and then boom. Alright, so ang next natin is yung number. Okay, number 11. So how are you going to do that? Very easy lang guys. Pupunta tayo dito sa text and mag-add tayo ng heading na rin. Pero in the case natin sa ating sa Canva ko is actually nakaset na to na I'm always using yung bebas na text, no? Text font. So we can still select it here from here and then we can go the like add heading. And we're just gonna edit this one sa kanilang, I think, hindi ako sure sa font pero I'm just gonna click here kung saan medyo malapit yung heading niya, right? So, malapit yung text, right? Since yung Michael Lizondra, like the name niya Michael Lizondra. Boom, 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 boom. Right, and then, we are going to adjust natin to a smaller size. So a smaller picture, a smaller font size, then boom. And then i-adjust natin nga same lang level dito sa ating kabila na side. Alright, and then we are going to drag it here para mas presentable. And I think boom. Alright. So ano ba yung feature? The good thing about using this is nakikita natin na hindi clear yung mga pictures dito. Tapos yung image ng kanyang text is hindi the same, diba? So there are two options. Dito sa name, actually first natin gawin is yung number pala. So since ito yung number 11, very basic lang, boom boom. Okay, ito yung number 11, i-drag natin dyan and then make sure na same sila ng size dito sa ito, okay? But since parang red yung color niya, we are going to change the color by clicking here dito sa A na may colors and then ito na guys, may isa pa ako explain. Ito yung picture na na-upload natin kanina, right? Ito yung photo colors. So the good thing about Canva is ma-identify niya yung mga colors na nandito ngayon sa in-upload natin. So ito yung picture natin. If you try to zoom in here, ito yung picture na ganito. So sinabi ni Canva na so from this picture, sa whole picture, ito yung color combination na ginawa. Possibly na parang malapit-lapit sa color na meron ang picture nito. So mas madali sa atin pumili ng colors guys kasi alam na natin na yung number dito is parang red, diba? So kailangan natin i-pick yung red, right? Boom, right? And then we are going to drag it here 11 and then may 11 siya. Alright, so hindi pa siya gaano ka-design kasi nga hindi ko alam ang font nito, pero kung merong nakapanood or merong nanonood dito na magaling sa font, can you please let us know in the comments kung ano ba yung font na ginamit nila. Honestly, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ba yung mga dapat nating yung mga skills on how to get a perfect na font na talaga makapin mo. Alright? Usually, try ko to is Open Sans, no? Ito yung parang standard. Boom. So, I think ito, medyo malapit-lapit dito sa kanyang boldness, or boldness color. So, what we're going to do here is we are going to adjust the transparency para mas malapit yung color dito, guys. Alright? Boom, boom! Alright, so medyo malapit na, okay? Alright, so the next is yung text natin, guys. Okay, so yung syempre sa Michael Lizondra, all I need to do is hindi ko na kailangan pumunta dyan. I can just basically click the picture here and then maybe adjust natin transparency konti. Yun, yan, parang almost the same, and then I click duplicate here. Boom, i-type natin yung name ng friend natin na si Michael Lizondra. By the way, guys, if you are into technicals computers, Mr. Michael Lizondra here is also may course din siya about tech tips, no? Technical about sa ang tawag dyan, sa mga computers, or kung gusto nyo maging isang parang computer technician or computer na magaling mag-ayos ng mga computer, you can follow his Facebook page. It's Tech Tips 2.0. Marami siyang students, guys. Siguro almost 5,000 ang students niya. So, you can check him out. Alright? And then, of course, we need to change the color. Again, we are going to go here sa ating text, and then we are going to select the color na would possibly match the color sa mga existing color natin. And then we are going to click BAM, and then we're just gonna add parang lessen the transparency. Yun nga. And I think hindi bold ang ginamit niya dito eh. So let's just try to i-click natin yung light, hindi rin. Open source, hindi rin. Semi-bold font niya. Pero I think this is parang medyo malapit. So we're just gonna select this up. This is for the presentation purposes of the case. Okay, so we're going to adjust the text size kasi para to match this one here. Boom. There you have it, no? And then sa 2.2 billion, we're just going to copy it again. Okay, we're just going to copy it again, and then click natin yan. Boom. And lagay natin text sa ang ginawa ko dito is 1.7 thousand 1.7 thousand, pero I think they are using the font is parang bold. So you can select bold, or you can go here again and then click natin yung bold. Alright, so medyo parang malapit siya. And then of course we're going to change the color. Ito yung color niya. Boom. Pero medyo dark ang color niya dito. So let's just try to like pull it there. Again, guys, I'm not really good into colors because I'm colorblind. That's why hindi ako nagpatuloy sa pagiging online freelancer na focused on designing kasi hindi ako relate. And then yan. Okay, so yeah, kayo na wala, guys, kung ano bang gawin nyo dito. So basically, this is the picture. Yan. And this is going to be like perfect, no, sa if you're going to make a meme about this itong trending na topic sa Forbes, sa Rappler. So basically, you can do it yourself as well, no? Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng meme sa mga friends niyo, or even sa mga clients na niyo gusto rin magkaroon ng mga content about some memes or everything. So you can basically go here and sa ating Canva, you can use it pro or hindi pro. Pero I would suggest to make a Canva account na pro. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. If you have any questions regarding sa ating topic for today, please feel free to give us a question dito sa ating comment section below, and hopefully we can answer your questions right away. So that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. God bless.